Hi, my name is Alice Hope. I am a first year studying biology at the University of Manchester, and this is a week in my life. So it's around 10:30 now, and I've got my first thing at 11, which is my PASS session. And PASS stands for Peer Assisted Study Scheme, which is a scheme that is designed to help people further their learning as well as go over things that people don't understand from lectures. And it's run by second and third years, and they sort of do things in different ways, so it might be through a game or just through sitting down and explaining it in a slightly different way. And it's a really good way of consolidating your knowledge.
Well, the PASS scheme is basically try to help them get used to the university life, because after high school it's very important to get used to how to be in uni, how to go to lectures, like what to do in general basically.
So you do feel like you can ask questions and everyone really gets to know each other, and you can have a laugh with everyone, and because it's second and third years they feel like your peers rather than like teachers.
Those people who did PASS, who attended PASS almost every week, didn't tend to take a resit because PASS actually does help. PASS, it's not like a lecture, it's more about learning with other people.
Then at 12 I've got a biodiversity lecture, and so at the moment we're doing eukaryotes. We're still on sort of very primitive organisms at the moment, and looking at how they interact with the ecosystem as well as how they're important to us. Okay, so it's 2 o'clock now, which means I'm just about to start my lab session. Today we're looking at the absorbance of UV light by vitamin B12. So at the moment we are preparing standard solutions of vitamin B12. What we're doing is we're diluting this, so this is our stock solution, and we'll be diluting it with water. This is an automatic pipette, so rather than having the measurements on the side and having to manually squeeze it, it just makes it more accurate, because you put in the value that you want here and you crank it and that will change the value. So it makes sure that your pipetting is really accurate, whereas if you try and use one of these, you have to squeeze it manually, so obviously it's really easy to get it wrong. This machine is a spectrophotometer, which sounds very posh, but it basically measures the absorbance of light. So there's it'll shoot a beam of light through there and it'll measure how much comes out the other side. Right now I am plotting the graph of the results that we just gathered. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock now and I've just finished my labs. I've had a really good day. PASS was really helpful. So I'm off home now and I'll see you all tomorrow.
The word germ appears twice, I think, in The Origin of Species, and he's quoting somebody else. It's not a word that Darwin uses.